Boom. Let's roll. We do next question, and it's two sum. Bro, I hate two sum. I've solved it so many times. I still cannot get it right every time I solve it. And it's like it's supposed to be the easiest one, like it's lead code one. And I think because two sum is lead code one, I never I used to never do lead code because I'll always start with two sum and then I'm like, oh shit, I can't do this shit. Like, okay, so let's see if I can do this time. But okay, given an array of integers nums and an integers target, return indices I and j such that numsci plus numsj is equal to target and I doesn't equal to j. So basically, we have to return the indices like which add up to the target. So for example, here 3 and 4 adds up to 7 and its indices is so indices like basically position. Its position is, of course, in Python we start with 0, we don't start with 1. So its position is 0 and 1, which is 3 and 4, and it adds up to 7. And then so we return the array of indices, and if if oh okay, so in this we know that one valid answer exists, so there's no returning false or I don't know, -1 or something like that. So let's see, how can we do this one? Okay. Mhm. Okay, we can use the enumerate one. Yes, we can use enumerate. Let's see if I can use it though. We can create a. Can we create a hash map here? Maybe, maybe we can. Like we have hash map, and then we we take a number and we store its key. We store its key like that. Can we do this like that? Let's see. Okay, so again, I cannot name hash maps. I'm so bad at naming. So I'm just gonna name it again, scene. And for I comma, or let's have a better name for this. For I think I is fine. Mm, for num, let's do num. Num for num comma I in enumerate. Wait, I'm using this right way. Okay. For num comma I in enumerate nums nums um difference is equal to target minus num. Is it going to be I comma num? Because we'll have the indices first, right? Yeah. How does enumerate work? Let's find out. Enumerate in Python. Yeah, so the index is first, and then you get the um yeah. So like index 0 is apple, index 1 if you do it like this, and fruits was the okay. I understand. Yeah, see, I'm so bad at do some. I just cannot. Okay, so we'll do I comma num instead. Wait, this is right, right? I comma num. Enumerate fruits, index any fruit, the fruit. Okay, I comma num and enumerate nums. And so we'll have this like this, and then we'll calculate the difference, which is target minus num. If difference in scene, return array scene, no, difference, yeah, scene difference, wait, yeah, right, difference. Which one should be first? Yeah, this one should be first. It says in the return the answer with smaller index first. Yeah, so this one should be first, and then we return um why am I getting brain fog, bro? The I. Okay, cool. So basically we went we calculated difference by going through the loop, and if the difference isn't seen, we return the index of difference and the index of num. So, and if we don't, now let's see, if we don't have it, if difference is not in scene, then we add difference in scene. So scene difference is equal to I. Yeah, I think something like that, right? No, scene num is equal to I. Straight. Scene num is equal to I. And then we return. Oh, no, wait. One valid exists. Only one valid. So, wait. Yeah, so an answer does exist, right? Yeah, an answer does exist. Okay, so let's see. Boom. Bro, I'm so happy because I've fucked this question up every single time. And like even with using enumerate, like even if I have solved this question like so many times, I still cannot get it right, like without referring to something or like yeah, but like or like looking at the solution. But at least this time I didn't look at the solution, which is I'm very happy about that. And yeah, but this is like don't like yeah, I gotta increase my standards, bro, because this question is pretty easy. It's just me. Like you need to know how to do this question. Like people, it's this very easy. It's just me. It's not you. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.